Now guys, when it comes to chemical exfoliators, one of the most effective ways of including them in your skincare routine is through serums, okay, without doubt. Because guys, serums by design, they have very tiny particles meant to seep into the deeper layers of your skin. So obviously, if they have exfoliating components, especially a BHA like salicylic acid, if you have heard about salicylic acid guys, salicylic acid is something which is recommended by dermatologists all over. Sometimes people with sensitive acne prone skin are also recommended salicylic acid because it's absolutely magical. It helps to unclog your pores, it helps in dealing with acne problems and things like that. And here's the thing with clogged pores guys, it's a very common problem, right? We all have open pore issues sometimes, and when your open skin pores, they interact with environmental factors, especially dust and pollution. And when this dust and pollution or any environmental factor really, when it gets trapped into your clogged pores, that is when your skin problems really go out of control. And it's very important, like I have always said this, when it comes to skincare, the most important step is to keep your skin clean. If your skin is clean, it will look happy. If your skin is not clean, no matter what you do on the surface, nothing is going to help you. So we get a lot of products these days, especially these days, with the maskne also becoming a thing. A lot of you might be experiencing this also. Maskne is basically because these days we are wearing masks for prolonged hours. Since you're wearing masks for prolonged hours, a lot of people tend to have acne on this zone, or you can have a lot of other skin problems also, especially in this zone where the mask is touching the skin and just staying there for a really long time. So maskne has also become a very common problem. So a lot of brands, they've started coming up with these products for acne and things like that, and sometimes they even work. But here's what you need to understand as a consumer: your products don't just or shouldn't just treat your problem from the outside, because that is not going to really help you. You just keep using the product throughout your life and not really getting any solid results. You may get like temporary results, but not for the long run. Try to use something which will deal with the problem from the core, from the inside. So here's a very good product which I recently came across guys, and this is what I want to tell you. This is the 2% salicylic acid serum, and as you can see, it is specifically designed for acne and acne marks. The brand is the Dermaco, and the Dermaco is a brand designed by dermatologists. So it's an extremely safe, extremely effective brand. It's designed very scientifically, right? Using scientific methods, scientific ingredients, the right proportion, and the right things, the right composition that your skin really needs. So the dermatologists know what your skin needs, right? And this is what this product, and basically the Dermaco products, I have really liked them so far. And here's the thing about this brand guys, it's a brand that talks about beauty without filters. It aims to actually deal with your problems from the core in itself, so that you can actually love the skin that you're born in instead of having to hide behind filters. I love the philosophy. And like you can see from the name itself, it's a 2% salicylic acid serum. So even the composition of the product, especially the active ingredients, are very honestly very well mentioned. Now here is the composition of the product. It's a 2% salicylic acid serum which contains witch hazel willow bark. Now talking about salicylic acid, it's like I just said, it's a beta hydroxy acid that targets explicitly enlarged pores, acne breakouts and blackheads. It prevents clogging of pores and provides room for new cell growth, thereby preventing acne breakouts and making the skin healthy and clear. It also has witch hazel and willow bark, which removes excess oil and tightens enlarged pores. Now, when you're talking about 2% salicylic acid serum, a lot of you will want to understand how much is 2%? Is it a lot by salicylic acid standards, or is it too less? How is it? Well, let's just say that this serum contains enough salicylic acid, that as much salicylic acid as you would find in about say 600 raspberries. Okay, and the reason why I'm comparing this with raspberries is to just remind you all that while the word used here is acid, salicylic acid is actually one of those ingredients that is found in the nature around us. Okay, it's something designed by nature as well, and salicylic acid has been researched for decades guys. It's a very effective ingredient when it comes to your skincare. Even if you have never used salicylic acid on your skin before, you can totally use this. Just do a light patch test guys. Of course, that goes without saying for any beauty product, for anything that you are using for the first time. But salicylic acid, and especially 2% salicylic acid, while potent, it's a very good amount because it's very gentle on the skin skin at the same time. So using this is very, very simple. Just make sure you clean your face with your face cleanser really well, and then just like a regular serum, just take a few drops and very gently dab this into your skin. Immediately after applying the serum, make sure to lock it in really well with your moisturizer. And of course, if you're stepping out, don't forget to use a sunscreen. Using a sunscreen is so important, guys, if you want your skin to look good. So this is a day and night serum. You need to apply this twice a day, and it gives you a really clean, very healthy looking skin in a very short span of time, because obviously, you know, your pores are getting unclogged, your skin is looking better, your skin is feeling better, it's looking healthier. Also, because you know it's helping in unclogging the pores, your skin also reacts better to your beauty products, whatever you are using. And once you're done, once you have started seeing a difference, please come back, write in the comment section below how your experience has been with this product. I personally love the fact that this product has been designed so well. It has the right components, the right ingredients, like I just mentioned, and it is definitely a very, very good serum for anybody dealing with these kind of skin problems for sure. I'll put the link of the website along with this 20% off code in the description box below that you can totally check out to get 20% off across the website. And guys, on that note, I'm going to end today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this useful, if it helped you discover something awesome, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwow Style for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.